لا خلاص.
هي على اليوتيوب. هي على اليوتيوب بتصور ثلاجة عشان
لا تصور
هي على
بلاطة.
اليوتيوب.
تصور الثلاجة؟
عادي يعني معاكم مش مشكلة.
لا تصور بس ما جبناش احنا في الصورة.
ايوه هي بتصور الثلاجة.
خلاص؟
ايوه انت مش عارف.
مكانها فين؟ دخلها ده براحتك يعني؟ لا مش فيه.
عليها حاجة المفروض.
I don't know what they put. I want them to put them exalatus there so that you will not have a hard time.
بص يا ماما، ما شغال دلوقتي ها؟ ماشي؟ ما شغالش دلوقتي؟ 6 ساعات وشغال. ماشي؟
So this is our new fridge. Our fridge got broken because the electric was kept on and off last time. So they said if we will repair it from the company, we have to pay for like 2,000 LE. That's like around $150. So we decided to just buy a new one than to repair, because of course there's no assurance when it's a repair. So this is the freezer. Yeah, it's still empty. You saw it. It just came, and yeah, this is the inside
It's so
part of
nice.
it. And they said we shouldn't turn it on yet until after 6 hours. All our what are these appliances are mostly from KIRIAZI company.
Because KIRIAZI is the best in Egypt.
My husband worked for KIRIAZI, so he knows that it's really good. So yeah, thank you for watching.